Feel the freedom of real off-road power in a lightweight machine that is built for adventure and daily thrill. Watch till the end and subscribe for more honest bike reviews and epic rides. Yamaha WR125R 2026 is a lightweight dual sport bike created for riders who want balance between daily comfort and real off-road ability. The slim body design makes it easy to control in traffic and also perfect for narrow dirt trails. The riding position is tall and relaxed, which gives clear road visibility and strong confidence for new riders. The suspension setup is tuned for bumps, stones, and rough ground, so the bike stays stable even on uneven surfaces. The engine delivers smooth and predictable power that feels friendly for beginners and still fun for experienced riders. Fuel efficiency is impressive, which allows longer rides without worry. The gearbox feels light and responsive, making gear shifts simple during city rides and trail climbing. Braking performance is strong and controlled, which increases safety on both wet roads and dusty paths. Design language is sporty and aggressive, with sharp graphics and strong off-road character. The build quality feels durable and ready for long-term use, which is important for adventure riding. Maintenance is simple, and parts support from Yamaha is widely trusted, making ownership stress-free. Technology remains focused on reliability and rider confidence rather than unnecessary complexity, which suits the purpose of a true dual sport machine. Lightweight frame combined with balanced suspension gives excellent handling in corners, dirt tracks, and slow-speed maneuvering. Overall, the Yamaha WR125R 2026 stands as a dependable, exciting, and beginner-friendly adventure bike that delivers freedom, exploration, and everyday usability in one strong package. Yamaha WR125R 2026 continues to prove why a lightweight dual-sport motorcycle can deliver real excitement for everyday riders. This machine feels extremely balanced between comfort, control, and adventure freedom, which makes it a smart choice for new riders and also enjoyable for experienced riders who want a simple and reliable ride. The chassis design gives a strong sense of stability, even when riding on loose dirt, sand, or broken roads. The tall suspension travel allows the bike to absorb bumps smoothly, which reduces rider fatigue during long journeys. At slow speed, the steering feels light and predictable, and at higher speed, the frame remains planted, which increases confidence on open roads and countryside trails. Engine character is calm, smooth, and very friendly, which helps beginners learn throttle control without fear. At the same time, the power delivery is lively enough to keep the ride fun, especially when climbing small hills or riding through forest paths. Fuel economy remains one of the strongest advantages, which means riders can travel long distances with very little fuel cost, making this bike practical for students, commuters, and adventure explorers